Hey guys, it's BOZLI. So if you haven't heard, Tattu recently released this new battery, the 1480. It's really nice because it gives you a ton of power. I'll get into the statistics later, but I just want to say thank you so much to Tattu for giving me these batteries. They're really nice. I actually got my best laps at Woodstopia with this battery, and let's get into it. Okay, so first, let's compare weight. We have the 1400 that weighs 226 grams. That's our lowest. And then for our highest, the 1550, this is going to be 254 grams. And finally, in the mid grounds, we have the 1480 that weighs 237 grams. Okay, so next up we have unboxing. I really like the box on that side. It looks great. We have our battery manual, and we have our 6S cable protector. Then we got some protection inside the boxing, and we got our bubble wrap around the battery to keep it safe. And then we got our nice and shiny battery inside. Now I'll be comparing punch. I think everybody knows at the start of a 1400, you're going to have a certain punch when you shake off. You're going to keep it for a while, but at the end of the pack, it's not going to feel as fresh. You're not going to have as much power, but it's very similar to the start. It's great. I love it for short tracks, for tight tracks. The 1550 is great for having a ton of power in the beginning. At the end of the pack, you're going to feel the weight. You're not going to be able to make tight turns as easily. And the 1480 was made so you could have that punch similar to the 1550, and you didn't have as much weight, so you can make tighter turns easily. Let me know what you think of the 1480. Take my opinion with a grain of salt. You should definitely still try these things out on your own. But yeah, I hope you enjoy the battery. Thank you so much to Tattu for being my sponsor, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.